you find the dust bag is not filling up on the SL8, you may need to clean the fan out. To inspect it, remove the dust tube elbow. Using a flashlight, look down and see if there's dust, debris, sawdust, or sandpaper. If you need to clean it out, you're going to remove the belt to access the fan. Remove the 4 socket head screws. Don't try and clean out by removing the dust tube. It's more difficult. Take the fan out of the chassis, clean it up. Inspect the fan when you take it out and make sure that the fins are all in good shape. If your machine is slowing down, you'll probably find debris in there. So if you're having an issue with the motor slowing down, check your fan. Check the bearings, clean it out. You'll find debris in there a lot of the time that you're having issues with your motor. Reinstall in the same manner.